The video of this. Look at the stop sign.
Look.
Alright, I'm rolling the window up. Let's go.